Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, it's going to be a work week in my life. I am starting it on the weekend on Saturday. Don't worry, I do not work Saturdays and Sundays, but I just kind of wanted to get a little bit more content, so it's a longer vlog, and I have some fun things planned this weekend. But I just finished up at the DMV. I just got a real ID. I've been wanting to get one for like a really long time because I travel a lot, and I think in Pennsylvania you have to get them. I don't know if it's next year or the year after, maybe like a little bit into the future, but I just kind of wanted to get this experience over with. So I just did that. It was actually really easy. It took me like about a half hour at the DMV. This one was so efficient. It's not the one that's in my hometown, and that one, like, oh my God, it's a nightmare. But this one that I went to today, actually like A+ service. I am so pleasantly surprised. Now I'm gonna head over to Nordstrom Rack and Marshalls and hit up the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. It's 10:45 on a Saturday morning. I am up early. I am ready to take on the day. So if you like vlogs, if you like work vlogs, if you like fashion, if you like beauty, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. That was such a successful trip to Nordstrom Rack. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. I'm gonna pop into Marshalls and then go to Ulta because I have a gift card and I really want to get a Nude Sticks bronzer. I am back at my apartment and I had a very successful run at Bath & Body Works. I also got an iced vanilla latte at the Nordstrom Cafe. I love the Nordstrom Cafe. The coffee is so good there. My face is so shiny and red. It is so hot today in Pittsburgh. It's like 92 degrees and really humid. And my face is so shiny even though I only put on my makeup a couple hours ago. But I'm gonna head back inside and then show you guys what I got. Okay, so I am back home and I want to show you guys what I got. I'm gonna film a separate haul from Bath & Body Works, so you'll probably have already seen that by now because I'm sure I'm gonna put that up quicker than this vlog. But let me show you what I got at Nordstrom Rack. First up, I got this really pretty green and white dress. I absolutely love this. And it has like this beautiful cinched waist and it's a little bit longer, and I just feel like it's really classy, really elegant, perfect for summer, and I'm gonna wear it for next fellowship graduation. So I really needed something new for that. And then I'm really excited about these. I got a pair of these white foamy Birkenstocks. They are so comfortable. I never believed that Birkenstocks were comfortable till I tried these on. And these are gonna be perfect for a trip I have coming up this summer. And then finally, I got one thing at Ulta. They didn't have the Nude Sticks bronzer that I wanted, so I'm gonna have to order that online. But like I said, I did have a gift card that I've been wanting to use up. So I just got a restock of my favorite shampoo by Gio. Oasis.
I know, there's been like...
So we are here at the Gold Mark. We got some drinks. I love it here because it's always so private and like they have these cute lights out and it's like our own little like backyard. It's such a hidden gem in Lawrenceville. If you come here, you have to go. Hey you guys, it is Sunday. I'm back in my car. I did a terrible job vlogging last night, but essentially Nick and I went out to dinner and we went out for some drinks, and now it's Sunday. I just grabbed lunch with one of my oldest friends. We caught up. We went to the Olive Garden like we used to do back in the day in high school, and it was so nice. And now I'm here again at Ulta because I didn't get those Nude Stick bronzers yesterday because I didn't have the shade I wanted, and I really want to get a new bronzer because I've been using literally the same bronzer since 2019 from NARS, and it just is literally on its last leg. I was able to get my bronzer at Ulta, so that was successful. And now I just got a Starbucks. I got the white chocolate macadamia nut cold brew. I have been obsessed with this drink. It is so good. I think it's better than the pistachio. I know a lot of people don't think so, but I really like this one. I also ran to the grocery store and picked up some groceries for this week. We did a really big stock up last week, so I just got like some little things, and Nick is running to Trader Joe's to get our meets for the week. So I'm gonna head home now, and I have a couple hours before this hot yoga class that I have. So I'm back home and I'm about to make these bracelets for the Taylor Swift Eras tour. I've been seeing people have been doing it on TikTok, so I ordered this little bracelet making kit and I've never done this before, so we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully I can figure it out and it's not too hard, but I thought that would be a fun little Sunday afternoon activity. So it comes with like this little thing, which I guess you're supposed to use to pick up the beads, and I can link this kit on Amazon in case you guys are interested. But it's really pretty. They have like all these different colored beads and like little smileys and stuff, so I feel like this is gonna be so fun.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home.
So this is my outfit for yoga. I'm wearing this black Lululemon Align tank and these pink biker shorts from Old Navy. Oh my god, you guys, that was insane. You know what's insane when my hair is in a bun? I don't think I've ever sweat this much in my entire life. Oh my god, it was an hour and 15-minute hot yoga power class, and like it was just disgusting. Like sweat was pouring off my body onto the floor. It was crazy. I would definitely go back. I feel like it's not something that I would need to do every week, but I feel like every once in a while I feel like it's really good for you, just like sweating out all the toxins and everything. Definitely a different type of workout. You know, I don't feel like I burned super like a lot of calories, or I don't even really feel that I got stronger, but it was a very like detoxifying workout, if that makes sense. So I did like it, and this location is pretty good. I like the instructor, she was nice, so I think I would go back. Now I'm going to head home, take a shower, get ready for the week, pick out my outfits, pack my lunch for tomorrow. We already ate dinner. We just decided to do like an early dinner because by the time I would get back it would be kind of late. So we already had salmon and couscous and broccoli. Yeah, so just going back and just kind of getting ready for the week. That's really all that's on the agenda for the rest of the night. Hey you guys, what is up? It's Monday afternoon. I'm sitting in the very minimal traffic that I have to sit in on my commute home. The workday today went really fast. I've been really busy on a lot of different projects. And yeah, not much of an update other than that. So I just changed into my spin outfit, black Lululemon biker shorts, and this purple sports bra from TJ Maxx. Let's go work out. That was literally an insane workout class. I love Emily's class. It's always so freaking hard. I am literally drenched once again, but it was such a good class. Now I'm gonna go home, and I don't really have anything that I have to do for the rest of the night, so I might edit a YouTube video I filmed a Bath & Body Works haul the other day, so I kind of want to edit that and get it up. But other than that, I really don't have anything else I need to do for the rest of the night. It's about 7:40 now. It's still light out, which we love. But yeah, that's today. Sorry I didn't check in too much. It's kind of hard with work, and you know, there's not much to show, but people seem to like the Workweek in my life content. I know I like to watch that too on other people's channels just because it's relatable. So I do continue to make them even if they aren't like the most exciting day to day. I'm back home after spin. I just did some skincare. I used my hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary and my Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer, along with this It Cosmetics eye cream, and then a little bit of the niacinamide from The Ordinary as well. I just like to keep it simple, keep my skin hydrated, and try to prevent acne. Now I'm going to snuggle up in my bed and do some editing with my key lime LaCroix, which is the best flavor. I am back in my car again, sitting in some awful traffic. I don't know what is happening up there. I think one lane is closed, and so now I've just been sitting outside the parking garage for like 10 minutes, which is so annoying because I worked late today, so just annoyances all around. But I think we're gonna make some shrimp for dinner. We haven't had shrimp in a while, and I really like shrimp. I feel like it's so good. It's so like flavorful and light, but yet it keeps you full. So I think we're gonna do some like shrimp with cilantro lime seasoning from Trader Joe's and some rice and some broccoli for dinner. It is Wednesday morning. I've got my Maiden work bag, my lunchbox, and my coffee. So let's go. It is 4:30 and I'm sitting outside of work. It's literally chaos. I don't know what they're doing down here in Pittsburgh, but there is so much construction and lane closures and buses being rerouted, and it's just ridiculous. My day at work was also ridiculous because it was so incredibly busy, and I'm so ready for this project to be over. But we are done complaining. We're gonna have a nice little night. Nick and I are gonna go get some Chipotle, and then I'm gonna get my nails done because they desperately need done. They look disgusting. And I'm going to a wedding this weekend. So we don't really need an excuse to get our nails done around here, but I am going to a wedding, so I'm gonna make sure they get done. It's Thursday. I'm working from home today. I've already been working for like 2.5 hours, but I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna have one of these Ready Clean bars, vanilla swirl. I found these at Whole Foods. I've never had one before yesterday, that is, but they're pretty good. They taste kind of like a healthy Rice Krispie treat, and they're not like super filling, but I have literally no time to make anything else, so this is what we're having. Here at Spin, I haven't vlogged in a minute. My afternoon was super busy, but I ended work a little bit after 4, and then I made dinner for us. I made mahi and some oven roasted potatoes and green beans. The potatoes turned out so good. They were super crisp. I feel like the key to making them good in the oven is to use a lot of olive oil and cut them really small. But and then after dinner, I just drove here to my spin class. I have a 45-minute Zen ride tonight. And then I want to stop at Trader Joe's because I don't really have anything for lunch tomorrow. So I want to get some salads and maybe some berries and maybe a couple fun snacks. Hey guys, we are back in the car. It is Friday. Happy Friday to everyone. The workday is over. The work week is over. I'm going to my parents' house to see them. I haven't seen them in a while, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed following along for a work week in my life. Be sure to subscribe and like if you want to see more videos like this. I have a lot of other content where I talk more specifically about my job, but I know this was just kind of more of like a lifestyle vlog. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.